Hey guys, I thought I'd take you through what your to-do list and expectations are this week. We're moving on to percents. I think it's something that you guys can get accomplished by yourselves at home with the help of me when needed. Your first task is to read these pages. It's a little introduction on fractions, percents, and decimals. Your second thing is to go on Big Ideas Online and complete the 15.1% homework. And then answer this question: what is the connections between ratios, fractions, and percentage? And then let me know if you have any questions and concerns. If you go to click on classwork, you'll see the week of 3-3, chapter 15 in percents. I have a little bit more, something extra for you to do. It's this math crossword if you want to do it. It's this interactive worksheet if you want to do it too. And then a couple of you like the Quizzy game, so I've just put a new Quizzy up there with percents, fractions, and decimals. But your directions are right here. There's some videos for you to watch. I also put a video on the stream of me teaching a lesson if you want to look at that too. All of it's optional. And then this is a link to your assignment in Big Ideas. And it should be the fourth one down, depending on the order of your assignments. Again, hit assignments right there, and it would be 15.1 right here, section 15.1. And then that's all you have to do. So again, your assignments are, if I go over to the stream, read, complete the Big Ideas 15.1, which is right here, and then answer that question. And that's it. That's all we're doing for this week. Let me know if you have any questions, but have fun.